In today's video, I'm going to review one of Eric Fry's latest special report, which is part of his service by that special report bundle for his Fry's investment report. And that report is the $24 trillion rise of robotics. This is a really interesting special report. It basically talks about the huge opportunity we are sort of going into for a burgeoning new AI robotics industry where AI comes out of the digital into the physical, but is projected to be $24 trillion. And in that report, Eric Fry is giving 3 of his best tips away for the AI robotics industry. So you do not want to sleep on this. I'm going to give an overview and a review of that. Before I go into review, I'm going to give you an overview of the AI robotics industry because I think it's very important for you to understand the huge opportunity that's available to investors here. And if you stay until the end of the video, after the review, I'm also going to give away one of Eric Fry's AI robotics tips that has actually grown 120% in the past 6 months and is just on an absolute tear at the moment. And also going to rate the service as well. So if you got value from the video, want to like, want to subscribe to the channel to get more content like this, got any questions, comment below. And if at any point you want to join Eric Fry's investment report, I'll leave a link for you to do so in the comment description below. Okay, so let's get on with it. So the AI robotics industry hasn't really even started yet. I mean, there's companies that are, creating specialized AI robotics, but the industry hasn't really got going yet. It's a really, really immature industry. But the trigger for this is probably going to be the release of Tesla's Optimus AI robot that's been hugely hyped by Elon Musk. It has basically been in development since 2021, but it's very close to release. It's expected to be released at some point in 2026, and this is probably going to be the catalyst for the AI robotics industry, where trillions of dollars will flow into the industry and new companies will be cropping up all over the place. So it is a huge industry. Morgan Stanley basically said there's going to be a need for 1 billion AI robots in the future, and if each one is priced around about $25,000, which is the price for Tesla's Optimus AI robot, that's a $25 trillion industry. So this industry is going to be huge, and there's going to be all sorts of companies going to profit of it. Not just the companies creating the robotics, the supporting industries such as the chip makers, the sensor suppliers, the material suppliers, the energy suppliers, you name it. There's going to be opportunity everywhere in this industry. So it's an industry you really want to pay attention to because it's probably going to be one of the biggest industries out there over the next 5 to 10 years. So going into the report, Eric Fry basically gives away 3 of his favorite AI robotics plays. It's a really great report, easy to read. You can read it in about 10 or 15 minutes, but he gives a detailed breakdown of his 3 favorite AI robotics picks that could literally explode in value over the next couple of years once the AI robotics industry gets going. So I found this report really insightful, very exciting, and I can personally definitely see the opportunity here for me to put my money into some really exciting AI robotics companies that could potentially grow by 500, 700, maybe even 1,000% over the next couple of years. So basically explosive growth, and it could be a lot more than that because this industry is going to be like the internet once the internet launched. It could even be bigger than that. It is going to be crazy when this industry gets going and it gains the attention of the public. Now, I promised you also, just very quickly, I want to rate this report. I actually rate this report 5 out of 5. I believe the AI robotics industry is going to be absolutely huge once it gets going over the next 6 to 12 months. And also I rate this report 5 out of 5 because Eric Fry is a genius futurist. He's very good at picking future trends in companies that can do really, really Well, so I promised you a pick, but Eric Fry gave. The pick is an AI robotics company. It's called Symbotic. Now, I'm not saying you should go out and buy this. I strongly suggest that you research this, and I really think you should read the report I'm reviewing here, so you can get a really, detailed view. I'm just reviewing the service, but anyway, the pick he gave was Symbotic, sticker symbol SYM. Basically, Symbotic is trading for 47.43 at the moment, time of shooting this video. Seen 125% growth over the past 6 months, explosive growth. Market cap of 27 billion, and it has got I think a backlog of $20 billion worth of orders. And basically, this company creates or builds out specialized AI robots. They're like Lego bricks, but basically installed in warehouses, distribution centers, and incredibly efficient and much in demand. So that is the pick I gave you. So hopefully you like that. Go away and research and see if it matches your portfolio standards. And also, final review for Fry's investment report. I rated the service 4 out of 5. Really like the service, being a member for about a year. It's given me some great ideas because Eric Fry goes heavy into AI. AI is going to be the biggest industry out there, and a lot of the supporting industries to AI, such as energy, materials, and other stuff as well, new chip makers. So I rate the service 4 out of 5 as one of the better stock picking services out there. And if you're looking for stocks that have really strong growth potential and you're interested in tech and AI, then it's definitely worth checking out Fry's investment report. I really enjoyed the service, giving me some great ideas and some great investment opportunities as well in high growth tech stocks. So Fry's investment report is $49 for 6 months. Pay $49, you remember, for 6 months. You get a 90-day money-back guarantee, and just for joining, you get Eric Fry's latest service buy that special report bundle, which is included in that. It's a report I've reviewed today, and you get that completely free just for trying his service risk-free for 90 days. $49, what you got to lose? You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. I think you'll really enjoy the service. So if you want to join, link in the comments and description below. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. Hope you found this review and this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.